You're using Claude wrong. Think about it. You ask Claude to fix a bug, it gives you the answer, and then what? You copy the fix, paste it into some doc, switch 3 tabs, lose a thread, and somehow that same bug is still sitting in the backlog 2 days later. Claude is incredible at solving problems. It's just not built to ship them. And that gap between here's your answer and this is actually done, that's where most dev workflows fall apart. In this video, we're breaking down how to actually use Claude for programming. Getting started with Claude is straightforward. Head to Claude AI, sign up, and you're in. No setup, no configuration, just a chat interface ready to work. Once you're inside, just describe your problem, drop in your code, and Claude responds. It reads context well, so the more specific you are, the sharper the output. You can switch between models depending on what you need. Sonnet for everyday tasks, Opus for complex multi-file reasoning, and Heiko for quick lightweight tasks. And Claude now remembers you across sessions, so it picks up context from where you left off. Look, none of this works if Claude wasn't actually good. So let's talk about where it genuinely delivers. It breaks down complex logic, flags what's wrong before you even ask, and explains unfamiliar code in plain language. Whether you're debugging a condition, refactoring a messy function, or just stuck on why something won't compile, Claude sees it fast. It's also strong at translating requirements into structured code and exploring multiple approaches to the same problem, which makes it genuinely useful as a thinking partner, not just an answer machine. Here's where it gets tricky though. Claude isn't built to handle everything that comes after the answer. It doesn't know who owns the fix, where the task lives, or what the team needs to know. So even with a perfect answer, you're back to copy-pasting across tools, re-explaining context, and hoping nothing falls through. And as the codebase grows, the teams get bigger, the handoffs get messier, that gap only widens. Claude helps you think, it just doesn't help you ship. That's where ClickUp comes in, the world's first converged AI workspace, built to turn AI output into actual work that moves. And that's how developers can turn AI answers into real, structured workflows without leaving the workspace. When everything runs through one system, work stops getting scattered and starts moving forward. ClickUp brings docs, tasks, sprints, and AI together in one place. Test it out for yourself by signing up for free today at ClickUp.com.